I got all these for 20,000 rupiah, which is about $1.30, $1.30 for all of these. Actually, whoops, I had like 5 of these already. They're so fresh. There's actually a mangosteen warehouse just down the road. So yeah, it's a little crazy, like 10,000 per kilo. 75 cents per kilo. These are the best mangosteens I've ever had. Durian often comes in season with the mangosteen because it really balances it out. So mangosteen's like a really cooling fruit. It's known as the queen of fruits. And, you know, durian is very heating. It's kind of dehydrating, so it's the king of fruits. So when you eat mangosteen and then durian, helps cool you down. So good. Don't even need coconuts. All right, that was a successful lunch here. Oh, I missed one. These were all just perfection. All right, you guys, this is what 260,000 rupiah looks like, which is about $17 US. Yeah, $1 is equivalent to 15,000 rupiah. The US dollar goes pretty far here. Just got some perfect bananas. Just 10,000. 68 cents, by the way. This whole hand, and they're like, look, this one's like busted open. These are perfect, just like falling off. There's the test right there. That's right. Here we go. Wow. I know it doesn't look like much, but it's like super creamy, and it's got like this citrus, like tangy edge. It's so good. One of my favorite kind of banana. You guys see these durian trees all above me? All the way over there. Crazy. Good morning, everyone. It's nice foggy morning. It's beautiful though. I love it. About to go get some durian for breakfast. Yeah. Sun just rose. It's about 6:30. Oh no, it's 7. So I'm on my way.
Yeah.
It's so big.
Oh. You play.
This one's really good. Alright, I'm here at the market. They have like some different... Oh look, there's some fireworks over here. Hello. It's boom. Go boom, right?
Take the pictures, huh?
Yeah? See you. Roman candles. Oh, poppets. These are good. Here at the weekly market, it is quite busy. Lots of fireworks here. Little Chico, rambutan. Lots of clothes. Fish. Hello. We got mango, dragon fruit, apples. Hello. Just looking. Snake fruit. Oh, big star fruit. Some vegetables. Okay, this is the weirdest haul I've done in a while. So I got a dragon fruit. This was actually only 18,000 and it was like 1 kilo. So I'm about to dig into this. So excited. I love these. And it's like a big market, so busy. I didn't want to stay there too long. It was crazy. But I did end up getting from fireworks for some reason. You know, like when in Rome, they say. These were 20,000. So like $1.25 or something. These were just 5,000, and then I got like a couple sparklers for 1,000 each. The rambutans were 10,000 per bunch. This is a really good deal. 68 cents is 10,000. So yeah, I'm gonna save those till after I'm done with this. I'm so excited. And these are like little. You said they're like little fountain things. They send off sparks. So I'm gonna check those out later tonight. Oh my gosh, it is so hot here. This is gonna be so good. Mmm. Wow. Wow. If you haven't had a dragon fruit, it's kind of like a kiwi, but like more sweet and like kind of tangy. So much more juicy and like, you know, a different texture. And in Indonesia, they're amazing. And Malaysia, but better than Thailand, I believe. But I like the white ones in Thailand though, a lot. The red ones, or I don't think they have the white ones in Indonesia, but red ones are super good. All right, I'm on the roof here, having some rambutan. I got a bunch of ants all over them, so you gotta eat them fast, and I didn't want them to get all over my room. Just like a big juicy grape, but better. Everybody's doing fireworks. And then up here I can just throw my compost off the side. Show you guys. It's a beautiful place. There's a durian tree right here. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you guys can see. See that? Little fruit right there. This place is awesome. It's raining, it's perfect. Ooh, it's so cool, so pretty. Alright, we're gonna do two at the same time. Oh, it's like Beyblades.
Ano, mangukam ka sa sada di masuk kan ni.
To Madame.
Yeah. Oh, cái này này, hay kia này. Ya, foto. How are you? Nah.
Oh,
Itu kong, kumbuka sada.
These are so fresh. These Dooku. I got for 15,000 a kilo. I got 2 kilos here. So that's about $2 US. All right, having some of these Dooku. I haven't really been posting like what I've been eating lately. Well, I guess I have, but it's mostly just been durian for breakfast because you want to eat it like as soon as it drops for the best like experience, digestion, energy, like all that stuff. So yeah, I've been doing that in the morning and wait like 4 hours, you know, around like 1:12 to 2, I'll have like a big meal of juicy fruit, you know? Mono meal of whatever I like. So today it's Dooku. Two kilos. These are so good and fresh. And look, like some of them are the size of ping pong balls. Like they're giant. These are the biggest Dooku I've ever seen. Probably the biggest in the world, yeah, definitely. That's a fact, definitely fact. Oh man, that one's not good. As soon as I say that. So yeah, I might play with some more fireworks tonight. I still have some left over. It was cute last night. This kid just came out of nowhere, and he like wanted to watch me light the Roman candles. It was perfect. I found like this pile of like bark. I just stuck it in there because you're not supposed to hold them in your hand, kids. It's dangerous. I still have a bunch of those things that spin around on the ground. Love those. I'm gonna save those. It was only 30 cents for a pack of 12. And those are just a good time, you know? I forgot what we call them. Oh yeah, blooming flowers. We call them blooming flowers in America. You know, these are. This one's so juicy. So those are always fun. This is my outfit when it's pretty hot. And I got this pendant here in Bukit Lawang. My friend made it, supposedly. I like it a lot. So yeah, that's going to be about it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe for more videos. Having a great time here. The locals are like the friendliest I've ever met, and it's cool like seeing them and interacting with them and getting to know them a little better. That's probably my favorite part about traveling, is just talking to the locals and learning about their culture. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Peace and love.